Hey guys, Mr. Round 105 here, and I'm back with the Eager One 2-stroke engine. There you go, Eager One right there. And I put an exhaust manifold on, so there's that. It's leaking a little oil. I've moved it up a little, but there you go. Put an exhaust manifold, and that's the exhaust port right there. And then over here, the old intake port where the carburetor used to be, it's leaking because the valve isn't seating right, and so that's actually acting as the recompression chamber that used to be up here, which was a tube that came right out of there. And I just put the spark plug in and the wire just for looks, but so it looks like a real engine, but so the leak lets the air come out whenever the piston builds up that extra compression. It just lets the extra air out there, but it's still draining my power out of this engine. So I'm gonna put the recoil or recompression chamber back up here, and yeah, so I'm gonna get it running so you guys can see how the exhaust manifold works. So give me a second. Going all the way around. You can see it's leaking. There you go, guys. There's the Eager One. I think I'm the first person to do this. Let me disconnect the air here. So essentially what I've done to make it a 2-stroke is I measured with a measuring tape down the cylinder to dead bottom, so the bottom of the stroke. And then I did the same measurement out here, I marked that, and then I went a 1/4 inch up, and then I drilled there, right in between the fins. And then I put this exhaust manifold on. And as you can see, it is working. It's not coming out of this valve on purpose, it's not supposed to. It is actually working like a 2-stroke engine, so it's a real 2-stroke air engine. It's not the ones that use all the valves right there. Got a hole in the side there, so I think I'm the first person, at least on YouTube, to do this. So thanks for watching and subscribe.